Hey y'all, we have a giant bowl of candy. And what would you make?
We got done eating sandwiches at first. A giant bowl of candy. Now what do we want?
Hold on. Fortune cookies. Okay, 2-2. Mix them without looking. Don't look at it.
Okay, grab them.
Okay. That's my fortune. Okay, let's open one of them. I'll open my odd-shaped one. Told you it was odd-shaped. Okay, ready?
1,
2, 3. Read it. Ready? Mine, I'll go first. A cheerful later on message is on its way to you.
Keep your feet on the ground even though friends flatter you.
Totally.
So good.
Really good. Keep the fortune.
That's gross.
If you want to burp, do it now.
I'll be right back.
She's gone. My best friend's gone.
I'm back.
Oh, she's gonna burp. We're gonna have a burping contest.
Oh, now you want to drink pop.
I can burp without pop, see? Oh, that's gonna be hard. I don't think I can beat that. I could try. You are always welcome in any gathering. Nah, that's not true. How was it go on, Keera? I don't get that.
I do love peace.
You love peace.
So does Gracie. Sorry if you can't read that. It says you love peace. I think I beat you there.
Yeah. How do you do that?
I just gotta shake up the air bubbles inside me.
I'm gonna try that.
It used to be me asking you how to do that. Shake it.
Shake it.
You have to shake your stomach.
I can't do it. And it's small ones.
Dang it.
I can beat that without using pop. Watch.
Yeah, but I still have the record.
That's without using pop.
Bill, no, don't drink the rest. Oh gosh, it hurts.
Shake it to the left. Shake it to the right.
I don't think I have a burp.
Keera!
Anybody else see her leaning like if she was farting?
Keera!
That
was
was
a liar.
That was not me.
It was her.
Okay. Oh! More grape soda?
Told you not to get the great value kind.
Wow, I love one. Great value made me burp more though. I get the first grape. I'm drunk on grape soda.
I never said just walk away from me. I was just
Tastes
said that.
better.
We are the crazy kids. I see them in the club, show them catch a love.
No.
I'm no Gucci. You boys they want my Gucci. I tell them I'm no Gucci. No. Say it up. Holy crap! Holy crap! Yeah.
Don't drink the whole can already, lady.
I'm not. I'm gonna try to get a big one.
That's good. Yeah.
Oh.
You the last part
I was like, at the volleyball game, I was like, oops. I was like, oops. Tell them I'm no hoochie, back which is the shocking. Did you hear what I said?
No.
I said, I tell them I'm no hoochie because my crush is like shocking.
Oh no. God, my stomach. It's horrible.
Oh!
Mine still beat yours.
I just burped randomly.
Wait for it. I feel one building up. Dang it. That felt like it was gonna be a big one.
They said I'm no hoochie.
Wait.
Boys, they want my hoochie. I said I'm no.
Did you hear that one? Oh. Beat her.
Go suck a monkey.
Go suck a monkey's dick.
Maybe that's what I said. Maybe it's not.
I heard what you said. I was just surprised you would say that.
Okay, stop it. We'll get another video.
She said go suck a monkey's dick.
You don't know.
Oh, I heard that one coming up. It was like,
That was a real one. I was like, I can
Not the-
feel that going through my throat. Ooh. That was funny. I'm not gonna be able to do that again. I said pause it. Stop it.
come on, burp.
I did it again, so I'ma let the beat rock. Oh my.
We have sandwich stuff all over your iPod. Well, sorry I had my bangs out like this.
Did you hear that one coming?
See, like this? Peace.
Did you hear that one coming?
Yeah. Wait.
Peace out, sucker.
Peace out, sucker.